If your vehicle has high-end fabrics like suede, micro-suede, or Alcantara, we know how important it is to keep these fabrics clean and protected. The Pinnacle Black Label Suede-Soft Alcantara Cleaner and Alcantara Protectant are an awesome duo to keep these fabrics as luxurious as possible. Suede-Soft Alcantara Cleaner is super easy to use. Spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and apply it to the surface which you're cleaning to remove any dirt and stains. Once your Alcantara or suede micro-suede is clean, you want to protect it. Brush the fibers in one direction and mist a fine coat of protectant onto the surface. Allow that to dry. Brush in the opposite direction and apply a second thin layer. You can keep your luxurious fabrics looking their best and protected with this duo, Pinnacle Black Label Suede-Soft Alcantara Cleaner and Protectant at Autogeek.com.